Hey guys, welcome back into another video, and in this video we're going to be going over Python Pygame tutorial series, and in this one I'm going to be adding the enemy slash snail image in the game, and we're going to be making it move throughout the screen. In the next video we're going to be adding collisions so we can see when the player and the snail interact and end the game. So first let's get started by importing the snail image. I'm just going to call it snail equals, as we talked about in the last video, pygame.image.load, and it's in the graphics folder, graphics slash snail1.png. And then we can also make a snail rectangle, which we would need for collisions, as we talked about in the last video, as well as better placement. So I'm going to call this snail dot get rect. And then so where we want to place this snail is right outside the right side of the screen, because the snail is going to go from right to left of the screen and then back to the right. So we want the bottom left to be at 800 comma 300. So if we run, if we run this, nothing's gonna happen because we still have to have the snail in here. So we can put screen dot blit snail comma snail rect. Snail rect just gives the position of the snail, and then as you can see, if we run this, we'll just see our player, and then he'll be able to move and jump, but we won't see the snail yet because it's right outside the screen. So now we exit this, and to make the snail move from right to left, we're just gonna go in here and we're gonna type in right next to the snail, we're gonna type snail rect dot the x value, because it's gonna be moving from right to left, and then we're gonna minus equals it by 10. So hopefully what this should do is it's gonna make the player move from right to left, or the snail move from right to left. So if we run this, you can see that there's the snail going right to left. But once it goes from right to left and exits the screen, there's no coming back because we don't have that yet. So what I want to do is that as it exits the screen, I want it to be back on the right side of the screen. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to add an if statement that's saying if snail rect dot right, that means the right side of the snail is less than or equal to 0. Then we want, I'll try password now. So what this does is it detects if the snail moves out of the screen. So after it moves out of the screen, what we want to do is move the snail right back into the right side of the screen, so it goes right back to left. So for that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the left side of the snail to 800, which puts it at right outside the screen. So for that, we're just gonna put snail rect dot left. We're gonna set this equal to 800. So if I run this now, what you should be able to see is the snail go from the right to left of the screen, then respawn back to the right side over and over again. And as you can see, it goes there and back it goes. You can see it's pretty smooth right now. And then the next video, we're gonna add, like, if it touches a player, we're gonna end the game, and then you can run it again. And in the series after that, we should be able to add the score and then end the series right after that. So thanks for staying tuned. Watch out for the next one. Comment down below what I should do next, and peace.